Hi, yes, I'm down here in the basement car park, and the old internal combustion engine, the ICE car, which we affectionately call Stinky because, well, ICE cars stink compared to an EV. Anyway, it's died on me. I was about to head home and it's dead ski. So yeah, let's check it out. I've got the meter on here, and I've had to use a light here because it's pretty dark down here in the car park. In fact, if I switch it off, let's have a squiz. Yeah, it's pretty dark. So we're getting 12.6 volts, but yeah, I think we're going to see that dip. So yeah, you can see that on the screen. So I'm going to put record mode on, and well, first thing I'm going to do is not even bother to start it up. I'm just going to turn the headlights on and see if she dips. Of course, if your battery's in good condition, that it should have a very low ESR, and you turn the lights on, it shouldn't dip at all. And also you can tell that it's getting dodgy where you turn the lights on and then start your car, and your light shouldn't dim that much, if at all, really. So anyway, yeah, let me turn it on. I'll have to come back, I won't be able to see it. But here we go. Accessories on and headlights on. No. Whoa, flashing flash on me. Yeah, my dashboard is flashing flashing. So what did we get? 10 volts. Yeah, and what did we actually get on the record? Max 12.6, 4.7 volts minimum. There you go. Yeah, battery dead. Just got back from my the holiday, of course, a huge driving holiday. Did over 4,500 kilometers in this thing. No, we didn't take the EV because, not because of a range thing. It's, well, that would have been, would have had to plan a lot better, but no, this is a bigger car. It's, takes the whole family and all the bags and everything else you've got to take on holidays. So 4,500 Ks, and it just decided to die today. I guess that's good. Yeah, so there's no rejuvenating that, I'm afraid, and don't have, in theory, you could jump it, get it started, and then the alternator kicks in, and Bob's your uncle. But anyway, I might try that again. Might try just starting it up. That was just the light. So let's do it again and give it a go. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, it's all good, thanks. No worries. Dead battery. And my screen is showing PCR pause or something. So, min 5.2. Anyway, yeah, just didn't turn over at all. So that is dead ski. Anyway, good thing is I don't live far. I can just walk home. No worries. Yeah, battery replacement time. She's cactus. Anyway, I assume the alternator's, maybe, I don't know. Maybe the alternator's gone and that's why the battery's dead. Who knows? Anyway, happens. Even, internal combustion engines, the EVs, they still have good old-fashioned lead-acid batteries in them for all the accessories. All the accessories all still run on 12 volts, but they have like periodic top-up thing. My EV actually tops up every day or every few days or something. It'll just sit in the background and uses the EV battery to actually recharge this, because it doesn't have an alternator, of course. So, yeah, anyway, dead ski. Yeah, this is the Nissan Dualis for those playing along at home, the Dualis Plus 2. It's the 7-seater jobby, and there's the alternator down in there. There she is. But anyway, most likely just battery, and yeah, I don't know it's got a date on it. Don't know. Haven't got my glasses. Can't read. Anyway, I don't. 30. No. No. I don't know. That's the type, I guess. Yeah. Whatever. She's dead. He's dead, Jim. Catch you next time.